How to send a message to someone on Roblox without being friends with them. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this easy tutorial. For this, you can launch a preferred browser and search for roblox.com or just launch your Roblox application. Now the first step is to search for the person that you want to message without being friends with them. Click on the People tab. From here, select on the profile that you want to text. Now, as you can see, there is no message option over here, and there is just the option of add friend or report or block. This is because you are not friends with them, and secondly, because they might have been had some of the privacy settings. However, it differs according to profile. Now for the second example, we have this profile right here where we can easily message them by tapping on the message option. Here we can just simply type in the message and hit on the send button. Now this is because the person has activated the message for everyone. So if you want to know how, just head to your home page and tap on the more option if you are using the application and head to settings. Click on privacy. On the communication, you will see who can message me. If the person has set it to everyone, everyone can text it. However, if it's set on friends or users I follow or my followers and also the users I follow, random people won't be able to text them without being friend or a follower of them. So either you have to add them as a friend or be a follower in that case. However, if it's set as everyone, you'll be able to message them easily just like the example 2. Which brings us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.